guys, it's Lindsay, and welcome back to another video. I start off by using my concealer and using a beauty blender to blend it in. Then I'm patting some powder on it to set it. Next, I'm using some gel eyeliner to put in my crease to give the black eyeshadow a base and to be darker. I'm using a blending brush to blend it out as much as possible. Then once I blend it out to my liking, I use the black from my Morphe palette and put it in the crease and blend it out. Next, I'm using the same concealer for my eyes to cut the crease. I'm using the matte white from my BH Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm patting it on the crease so the colors I use will be more opaque. I start off by using the red in the corner of my eye, then the orange, and yellow. Make sure to blend them to make sure the transition is seamless. This look is mostly just going back over all the colors and making sure they're opaque and well blended. Next, I add green, then blue, then purple. Once I finish the eyes, I'm using the same colors and using an angle brush and putting them under my eye. Next, I'm using my gold eyeliner and making a cat wing. Now I'm lining my waterline with black eyeliner. Then add mascara. Once I finish the eyes, I'm using a makeup wipe to clean up some of the black. Onto the face. I'm using my face primer. Next, I add foundation and blend it in using my beauty blender. I'm using concealer and putting it under my eyes, on my nose, and forehead, and if you have any blemishes. Then blend it in. On the rainbow brows, I'm using a white eyeliner to fill in my brows so the color will be more opaque. Then I'm adding the matte white eyeshadow on top. Then I'm using the same colors I used for the eyes to fill in my brows. Just make sure you blend every color. On to the lips. I'm using Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in shade Weirdo. Now time to add powder to my face and set it. I'm using the white shimmery eyeshadow from my BH palette and using it to highlight my brows, nose, cheeks, and cupid bow.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. This look was a lot of fun to make and it turned out really good. I'm really enjoying it and it helps me just with my rainbow hair and all of it just looks amazing together. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want me to do any more makeup tutorials, comment below. My name is Lindsay and I make videos every week and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys!